When you see temperatures like that, it means construction season has begun. And this week, several major projects begin, including one in the South Metro. Carla Holt is live in Richfield with details. Hi, Carla.
Yeah, construction season truly has returned big time. And while we all know the drill, both state officials and businesses are urging drivers to plan ahead.
As a salon owner committed to customer service,
we treat the customer is like a family.
My Doan can quickly paint a picture
of affecting our business
of what major road construction means to a small business.
With the time delay and traffic, it will take longer for sure.
It can be really challenging.
MnDOT spokesman Jesse Johnson knows well the toll a project can take on local businesses and residents.
It is a lot of traffic, a lot of cars moving through that interchange.
But he says projects like this one ramping up today at 494 and 35W will benefit everyone long term.
When it's all said and done, the plan is to reduce congestion while maintaining the safety of the road.
Starting overnight tonight, crews will be adding an easy lane in the area, adding a new ramp at the 35W 494 interchange, and replacing bridges. Meantime, crews will be tackling a different project at Highway 55, Hiawatha Avenue and Lake Street.
We're actually redesigning the intersection to make it more pedestrian and bike friendly.
And crews will be paving, improving the stormwater system, and updating trails on Highway 55 from Old Rockford Road in Plymouth to General Mills Boulevard in Golden Valley. All projects, Johnson says, are critical down the road.
We want to make sure that people can move safely and efficiently.
Moving efficiently while caring for their customers. Mai and her team say they'll do both, despite any delays or challenges.
I hope with my customer service and then with our service here, people will come back and help us out. So.
Ruby Nails in Richfield again, hoping to keep their loyal customers by even offering a construction discount. Again, Mai and MnDOT both urging everyone to remain patient and informed. You can check out 511mn.org for any project updates. But once again, Rena and Julie, our second season has begun.
Deep breaths, everybody. Deep breaths. Thank you, Carla.
Yeah.